Party up. Yep.
Yeah.
Turn up.
Until I get wasted.
Right.
Yeah. Until I get too wasted and I can't do shit.
Try your solder on some QS8 plug. These here are a pain in the ass though.
Nah, they're easy to do.
Well, you probably got a good soldering iron. So you got some good solder too. You got that thick ass solder. I got that real thin solder. I need to get some thick stuff.
I buy it on Lowe's.
Yeah. Shut off again.
Yeah, because it's already in temperature.
Which one hot? Which one negative?
Yeah. And what happened when you getting home?
Yeah. Make sure.
That's why you see my batteries.
Yeah. Yeah.
I always have them.
I think you can also tell by having that red mark at the bottom on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some solder on it while you're doing that. Flux.
Yeah, this is the most important thing to solder.
Mm-hmm.
You forget that shit, and that's the most important thing.